Alright guys, and girls, we have 3 more 6x6s to make, and we gotta round up a few more 1x4s and 1x12. So obviously I took off and did a few days of logging, and then between the rain, Disable wasn't finished it up. So I did a bunch of the other logs, had it on video, and they were cruising even though the blade was dull. I had brushed it up, but that first log, I hit a bullet in the second cut. I don't know if you guys heard it, and then I hit another bullet doing these 6x6s. So anyways, it's about 90 degrees now, and I'm deciding to do this crap. I had to straighten it out a little bit. Alright, well, the camera got too hot sitting in the sun and shut off halfway through that log. So I let it cool down for a little bit. Went up, got the kids lunch, and now we're back down here. Let me make sure this camera is working, because it cut out on me earlier. It got hot in the sun. I got a sunshade over it right now, a sun umbrella. Alright, so down here at the mill, camera keeps shutting down on me. It's hot. I'll see what footage I got and throw those cuts in on logs maybe first, and then hopefully the camera will stay on for this one. walk you guys over and show you that clearance on that. Yeah, so he's got it, you know, it's a hair skinnier up here, but down there on that bottom side, it's a lot wider. So as long as your blade's in spec, but you guys see that? Good 1/4 inch it jumps off from that splitter. Just thought I'd show you guys that. A little trick he did himself. Now when the blade starts spinning like that, that might be a whole different animal. Guess she's not liking that speed. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put that 48 back on. I really like that 48. I might leave this on long enough to get that big 38-inch pine right there done, and then once I get that done, I'll because I don't plan on tackling any of those great big propane tanks right away, so I'll throw that 48 back on for cutting all this smaller oak and all the red pine over there, because there's still a lot there I gotta go get. That stuff was up in the air, so the bugs weren't getting it as bad, but the logs that were laying on the ground got it the worst. Some don't got it at all, but yeah. So, and then I was doing another video, and I remember I didn't have it in there, but anyways, so my cousin that works for the road commission, he's friends with a guy at this golf club, Bent Pine Golf Course, here about, I don't know, 10 miles away, just over towards the lake shore. But if I remember right, well, I used to golf there early 20s, and it was full of pine trees. Well, every time, swatting bugs, every time it get a windstorm, they slowly lose more. Well, I had seen on some pictures posted, I better go shut that motor off or do something with it, but seen on Facebook a post that they got hammered, and I seen a lot of pictures of a lot of trees down. So that being said, I was all like, man, I'd love to get those. Well, guess what? We're getting them. So my cousin Timmy is friends with either the head maintenance guy or the owner. I didn't quite hear him, but let me pause this a minute. All right, good thing we're wrapping this up for video. But anyways, so this Bent Pine Golf Course, if I remember right from the pictures, there was about 30 pine trees down. Looked like some white pine, some red pine. Seemed look like some maple, something like that. But anyways, my cousin Timmy had called me. What was it? I think Wednesday. And it was pouring down rain here most of the day after I ran that first load. But called me and told me, hey, you want a bunch of pine trees? And I said, yeah. I said, always. And he goes, well, and then told me about the Bent Pine Golf Course, being able to get them. And that's kind of cool, though. I had already in my head was hoping, well, not hoping, was like, man, I wish I could get those. But yeah, so anyways, I guess I'll call it quits for this one. Appreciate everybody watching, and I'll keep pumping them out as much as I can. Thanks for watching.